Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to the effects panel over here and search for the basic 3D effect and drag this effect onto your video clip over here. Now move over to your effects control library and you can find your basic 3D effect over here. Under the basic 3D effect, you'll be greeted with the swivel, the tilt, and the distance to image. With swivel, you'll be able to move your videos from left to right. With tilt, it goes up and down. And with distance, basically it goes in and out. So actually applying this effect doesn't do anything. You have to toggle keyframes and create animations. So the first thing we are going to do is to set keyframes, these settings over here, swiggle, tilt, and distance. Now I'm going to select all these keyframes over here and move them to the beginning. So I'm going to move further in time and I'm going to adjust the settings to my liking for the swivel and tilt. So if we play this from the beginning now, you can see how it looks. So this looks too slow. I'm just going to select these keyframes. You can adjust the speed by moving these keyframes closer. So if I move back to the beginning and hit play now, you can see what we have created. So you'll notice that there is a black background over here. So you might want to compensate this by adjusting the distance to image over here, or you can as well go over to scale at the top over here and increase the scale. So I'm going to adjust the position and the scale property to completely hide that background over there. So in this case, I have used the position and scale to adjust the position. And now as you can see, this looks way better. So now the next thing I'll do is I'll recommend that you select this show peculiar highlights. So I'll check this. And what this will do is that it's going to create this light over here. So this is basically an artificial light. So if we play this from the beginning, you can see the light coming in over there. Another thing you can do is to add a Gaussian blur to your image. So go over to your effects library and search for the Gaussian blur effect and drag this onto your clip over here. Increase the blurriness of your clip and you'll notice that the screen is completely blurred. So what you need to do is to select this ellipse mask over here and invert it. Select inverted over here and you will notice that the outside of the mask is blurry while the inside is clear. So what you want to do is now to increase the size of this mask. So you can increase your mask feather and increase my mask opacity. So basically increase your mask opacity, increase your mask feather and increase your mask expansion. And after this, you will notice that the entire video is clear but the edges are blurry. Another thing you can do is to add a lens distortion effect. Search for the lens distortion effect and drag this onto your clip. And inside your effects control panel under your lens distortion, we can slightly curve it either inward or outward. I'll prefer outward. But if you do this, you may have to increase the scale once more. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial.